I'm just going to declare a property called as name, okay, which is of string data type. So, and I am just writing walking tree. So this is the property name property string walking tree. So I just would like to represent this by passing this into the HTML part of it. So where I would just like to display this in the form of H2. So where I'm using the interpolator to display this. So I'll just write name. So I'm just using this as an interpolator and I'm just passing the data from the component to the template. Okay. So now you are able to see this. Now this part of it is in a camel case, that is W and T is capital, it is in camel case. So now I want to transform this particular text in the form of a lowercase. So for that, I am just using the pipe. So what I'll do is, so let me just have this like this only. So here I will try to use the pipe. So I'm using the pipe and I'm telling lowercase. So this is the pipe symbol and this is the name of the pipe. The name of the pipe is lowercase. So you can see that the text has been displayed in lowercase. So now if I just want it to be displayed in uppercase. So now I just want this into uppercase. So here what I'll do is I'll make it as uppercase. So you can see that it is being converted to uppercase. Okay, so now this is converted into uppercase. Now what I want to do is, now this particular text, whatever is being displayed here, I wanted to slice it. Slice means making it into pieces. I just wanted to make it into a slice. So how do I use this concept of slice? So we'll see how to use the slice. So here I'll make it a slice. So here I'll make it as, okay, slice. So now here we are not passing any parameter. So this is a built-in parameters. For the built-in parameters also you can pass the parameters. So slice is also a built-in parameter. Slice means I just wanted to break that particular word walking into a piece, a portion of it I want, a small portion I want. So now what is the syntax for this? So I want to pass the parameters for this. So I'm just using colon. So slice colon, I want to pass the parameter. So how do I pass the parameter? From where I wanted to start? From the 0th position, that is from W, walking. Okay. So how many characters I wanted to fetch? I'll start from 0 and fetch 4 characters. So this is the starting part of it and slice it into 4 characters. So slice means W is the capital, so 4 WALK. It should display WALK. So slice it, then slice the name into the starting. So this is the starting part of it and the number of characters I'm trying to slice it. So now we'll just see. So it is given WALK. Fine. Understood this?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now if I just start this with the second character, so what will be the output?
LK.
So it will be LK.
LK.
Okay, because starting is only up to 4 characters I'm slicing. So WALK, so 2 characters, LK it is displayed. Fine, good. Okay. So the next part of it is, we will just see how exactly the date can be displayed. So I'll just take one property for the date here. So I'll just tell some date. Something, what the name shall we give? This day I'll just give. This day is the property is equal to, I'm just giving a date, or I can just give it as date dot now, or I'll just give it as date dot now. So this day is equal to date not now. So this will help me to display the current date now. So here, if I am just giving this, so I'll just take here as H3. So I want to display the date. So I will just use this day. So it is displaying the date in this particular format. So what is the mistake here?
Ma'am, new date आएगा.
New date, new, okay, new is equal to new date also I can just give, but I just wanted to display today's date. So which format it is displaying? So it is displaying in this particular format, but I don't want this particular format. I just wanted something DDMM, YYR, YYDDMM or something like that. So what I'll just do is I'll just use the pipe symbol. Okay, so when I'm just using the pipe symbol, we'll just see how exactly it displays. So here I'll just use the pipe symbol and I'll just write date. So we got this particular format, that is Jan 12, 22. So I just want it in a different format in DD, MM, YYY. So how do I use that part of it? So instead of this, what I can do is I can just write a format in which I want. There are a lot of formats. So I can just write short.
I mean H3. S3, ma'am.
Yeah. What is not working? Okay, we'll see. DD, MM, YYY.
When we should pass a date 5, then we should assign the property.
What I did? Oh, wait. I thought I just copied. I have removed this part of it. I need to give the parameter here, DD, MM, YYY. So you can see that it is displaying in this particular format. So you can display in whichever format you wanted. Chart is not working. Okay, I'll just check this. So if I just wanted in DD, YYY. So whichever format, there are a lot of date formats. So